In the modern era, we find ourselves witnessing groundbreaking technological advancements every day. Though there's one vital aspect of modern life that often goes unnoticed. Our air. The air that we breathe every day. The average person now spends the majority of their time indoors. Continuously recycled indoor air can quickly become harmful to breathe, allowing contaminants that can pass through standard air filters to spread easily through enclosed HVAC systems. The result? Compromised indoor air quality, turning our workplaces and homes into breeding grounds for airborne pathogens, commonly referred to as sick building syndrome, a condition linked to chronic headaches, fatigue, or respiratory issues, and a range of other health problems. That's why we developed the Aireshield filter. Unlike traditional filters that simply trap particles, the Aireshield uses plasma to neutralize dangerous airborne pathogens. Through this process, the Aireshield doesn't just filter the air, it transforms it, keeping your indoor air safe. The Aireshield helps turn any environment into a place where every breath is fresh and free from harmful contaminants. Don't compromise on clean air or your health. Visit our website to learn more about how the Revive Air Aireshield can transform the air you breathe.